In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI trading strategies on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open TradingView, access the PineScript editor, enter your AI-generated strategy code, add it to your chart, and review the results clearly and safely. First, head to TradingView in your browser and open a chart. Any liquid market will do, stocks, crypto, forex, or futures, because all we need is a live or historical chart to attach our strategy to. Give the chart a moment to load so your data is ready for testing. Next, look toward the bottom right of the screen for the small pine tree icon. That icon opens the PineScript editor, which is where we'll place the strategy code. PineScript is TradingView's scripting language for indicators and strategies, and it's what lets you turn AI-generated ideas into something testable on real charts. Inside the editor, click into the area that says Enter or type the code here. Paste or type your AI-generated PineScript. For a tradable strategy, make sure the script uses the strategy function rather than indicator, as that's what allows orders to appear on the chart. It's also a good idea to check the version header, for example, version 2005, so it compiles against the latest language rules. Before proceeding, scan the code for any sensitive information and remove it. Keep things like credentials, keys, or private data out of scripts. When your code looks ready, click Add to Chart. TradingView will compile the script and apply the strategy to your current chart. If the editor highlights any errors, read the message, note the line number, and correct the syntax or variable names. Common fixes include matching parentheses, using valid ticker or time frame inputs, and ensuring your strategy's entries and exits use consistent IDs. After the strategy loads successfully, click Close to collapse the editor. This gives you a full, uncluttered view of the chart with your strategy applied. Now you'll see the strategy directly on the chart. Entries and exits will appear as markers or labels, and any plot calls in your script will draw lines or signals. This visual overlay helps you quickly understand how the logic behaves across the visible price history. Remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Treat this as research, verify that the rules align with your trading plan, and pay attention to risk controls coded into your script, such as stop losses and position sizing. That's the full workflow. Go to TradingView, open the Pine editor, enter your AI strategy code, add it to the chart, close the editor, and review the signals on the chart. Keep refining your script right in the editor whenever you're ready to iterate.